Mastering variables is a powerful skill for every coder and a true time saver when it comes to creating basic features for your game. You can use variables to add a score system, a countdown, an animated sprite, or even a second player to your game. A variable is a way to store a piece of code, like a sound, an image, or a number that you can use later. It's a bit like your backpack. You can store anything you like in it, a book, a flashlight, or your lunch. Later on, you can pull things out to use them whenever you need to. For instance, you might make a different lunch and put it into your backpack each morning before you go to school. Then, during lunchtime, you take your lunch out of your backpack and eat it. In the CodeKit app, you can create and use variables to store all sorts of things. Numbers, sounds, images, and even the position of your players on the LED matrix screen. And the great thing about variables is that if you change your mind about what you stored, you can simply update them without having to redo all the code from scratch. Variables, they're a time saver. Ready to conquer variables?